What is up with this obsession, deep divers, to have more? I want more subscribers, Ralph. I want more friends, Ralph. I want more followers. Not me. I'm good, deep divers, because I've realized sometimes more is not always good, and sometimes less is actually more. I got 5,000 friends on Facebook, deep divers, and I still don't know who these people are. But in real life, I've only got 5 real good friends. That's right, only 5. And I'm good with that because I know these are sincere people. The 5,000 friends on Facebook, they never call me. Oh, Ralph, how you doing? How's your day going? They don't care. So realize, deep divers, a lot of you always ask me, Ralph, how come I have 0 friends? And why don't I fit in? And I will tell you it's because you refuse to lie to yourself every single day like so many people are willing to do. You refuse to settle for mediocre, crappy-ass relationships. You refuse just to be with people because you don't want to be alone. No, you enjoy your own company, so salute to you, you're on the right track. Not all energy is good energy, deep divers. I always say this, if you're not helping me evolve, you're a distraction. We outgrow shoes. We outgrow clothes. And also we outgrow people. If they aren't stimulating your mind, helping your mind expand, you don't need them. And you can tell them the exit's that way. There's a reason why you don't have a lot of friends, deep divers. It's because you actually honor true relationships and true connections. And my oh my is gonna come. So how do you find a good friend? Realize your vibe attracts your tribe. All you've got to do is speak your truth to the world, and you are naturally gonna attract your true reflections. Because birds of the same feather flock together. And once you realize that, deep divers, well, you'll just say, feels so good to be alive, baby. Can I get a hello? Beautiful, deep divers. If you don't feel like you belong to this world or you don't fit in, it's because you came here to create a new